All right, this is Challenge Lab 5.5.7. And with this lab, we have 14 tasks again, very similar to our skills lab on the items descriptions worksheet. So let me move my little cursor down here. So our items description, we're going to apply the phone number formatting. So again, go to our more formatting special, and we're going to select phone number. On today's sales worksheet, we are going to use the clear button to remove all formatting from C4 to C4 to C8. So we're going to come up here and we're going to clear all formats. On today's sales, we are going to change the font color, and background of B3 to F3. So the font, I'm going to change background and the font style. On today's sales, we're going to change the decimals. Oops, today's sales, I clicked the wrong one. So that's C4 to C8. We are going to decrease our decimal by 2. On today's sales, we are going to change the formatting of B1 to short date. And that should look like that. On today's sales, we are changing, or we're unmerging B1. So with that, this is our merge. We click the down arrow and select unmerge. And what it does is it brings all the little cells back into play. On the today's sales, we're going to adjust the width of column F to remove the hashtag pound signs, right? This is basically telling you that there's content in there, but the cell is not big enough. So you can either double click when it has the little black arrow, or you can click and drag it over until it fits. In the items in stock, we're applying text wrapping to C5. So I'm going to come up here and wrap the text. In the list of items, we're applying currency to B2 to B6. So you can either click the down arrow or you can click some of these. All right, so for this one, this is our accounting, but I'm going to come in here and select currency. Task 5, in the items in stock, we are applying the heading 2. So I'm going to click cell styles. I want heading 2 to cells C8 through C11. So C8 through C11. And choose heading 2 and continue to the next task. Today's sales again, we're going to use the auto fit to adjust the height of row 3. So we're going to click here and you can do a couple different ways. We're going to I right clicked and selected row height. Now that will bring up our row height selection. But what we want to do is we want to adjust the actual row height. So here, it's not letting us do the auto fit. Ooh. So that would be one of the options to come in here and select this down arrow and select auto fit. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here instead and we're going to double click and it'll automatically adjust. So I was trying to show you another way of adjusting the height. Task 3, items in stock. We are changing the orientation of D7 through, D7 through H7, and we want to rotate text down like that. Task 2, items in stock. Add all borders to D8 through H11. 11. And we're going to select this here, click the down, and we're going to select all borders. And list of items, we are going to align the contents of B2 through B6 to the left side of the cell. And that, I just used my alignment. And that's it.